Hi! In my last video, I demonstrated a clean and simple Love What You Do card that I designed using the supplies from the Just Getting Started bundle, part of the May 2018 only Stampin' Up! Special. Well, today we're going to step it up with the A Little More Please bundle that includes the Make a Difference stamp set. The name of the bundle for the May 2018 only special is A Little More Please, but wow, is it ever packed with products, and I'll be sure to show them all to you. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 17 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand stamped smiles. I'm excited to show you just how easy it is to use the Make a Difference stamp set. Look at how much more you get with the A Little More Please bundle, the Love What You Do stamp set. Now this is centered to all three of the pre-release bundles, but now we're adding the Make a Difference stamp set. This is incredible. You get not one, but two alphabets, this lovely script font in upper and lower case, all cap print, numbers, and a lot of other goodies. And the font, well, it coordinates with the Love What You Do stamp set. See that script? Oh, love that mixed up. And like the Just Getting Started bundle, you also get the Grapefruit Grove Classic Stampin' Pad, one of the new 2018-2020 in colors. And again, like the Just Getting Started bundle, you get a package of 40 sheets of very vanilla cardstock. We'll be using that today. And now we're adding the Share What You Love cardstock pack. You get mint macaron, grapefruit grove, rich raspberry, and old olive cardstock that coordinates with the Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper. Now that Specialty Designer Series paper, well, you get that in the Gotta Have It All bundle, as well as the lovely floral dynamic embossing folder. And so then we're also adding, look, the Share What You Love Artisan Pearls. These are the colors from the Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper. And the Rich Raspberry 1/4 inch velvet ribbon. We'll be using both of these today, as well as the pearlized doilies. Oh, look at that, pearl on one side, matte on the other. We're going to use these in a fun way. And then you've got your bonus products, that 20% bonus products. You get the Share What You Love embellishment kit. Okay, I am crazy about this box. It's two of the prints from the Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper, but then you have some wonderful embellishments, some coordinating baker's twine, and these roses. You've got the little paper clips, but these roses, and these tags, aren't these amazing? Now I didn't use this today because I would try to get so much of my card I couldn't get it all, but to finish it up and mail it off, you're going to get, let's put this the right way, the very vanilla medium envelopes. I've been crazy about beautiful stationery since I was a child. If we're going to spend a lot of time making a beautiful card, let's put it in a beautiful envelope, and that's what you'll get as one of your bonus projects. So now it's time to stamp our Love What You Do and Make a Difference card. I've got my Big Shot die cutting machine because we're going to quickly die cut a circle with one of the Layering Circles frameless dies. So first we need to build up our sandwich. We're going to start with the Big Shot platform, and because we're using a thin metal die, we're going to use the thin die adapter, and then we have a cutting pad, and then our cardstock, very vanilla cardstock, that's included with the A Little More Please bundle, and then our circle framelit die. And so this raised edge, that goes down. There we go. And then we finish it with another cutting pad. Now all of those pieces come with the purchase of a Big Shot. So just go ahead and crank that right through. And there we go. Just like that, we have a perfectly die cut circle. So we have our die cut very vanilla circle, and we're going to start with the Grapefruit Grove stamp set. This is the new style. You just lift and slide that into place. And here we go. We've got our lovely flowers. Get that good and inked up. And right about there. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. And then we have this fill-in stamp. Now what I want to do is, like I did with my Just Getting Started card, my Clean and Simple, we're going to ink it up, and we're going to do the technique of stamp off on a piece of scrap paper to lighten the ink. There we go. Isn't that lovely? Okay, one more time. Great. So we've got that done. So I just push, pull on that, and flip that back in. Great. And next we're going to use Rich Raspberry, one of the colors in the Share What You Love cardstock pack that we're using today. So now this is the old style pad. So I push, flip, and lock that into place. Okay, and come over here and add some color. There we go. All right, so pull on it, lip, flip, and click. Now we're going to use the Make a Difference alphabet. So I've got the new style old olive pad. So we're gonna, there we go, slide that in. Now I was a little bit nervous about this. I thought, oh, I wonder how good I'll be. But we're going to do a short little phrase. I don't have a lot of room on here, just hello. But that's going to work for what I want. So there we go. So H. Look at how those line up. I thought, oh, this will be so tricky. And how cool is this? This is a double L for all of those. So you have just an L and you have a double L. So smart. Fantastic. And then, oh, can you believe how easy that is? I thought, oh, it's going to take a lot of practice. The first time I used it, it was just lovely. All right, so now we want to do, so we're done with this piece. I want to do a background. All right, so let's put this away. I am done with that. Push, flip, there we go, and that little bit of a click. And I wanted to use the pearlized doilies. And oh, I've got very vanilla cardstock, and these are very, very white. I thought, okay, that's not going to work. But what we're going to do is, it's really cool. I'm going to use this as a template. And so let's bring back the Grapefruit Grove. So remember, we lift, push that in, and I've got my sponge brayer. So I'm going to roll this across the pad, not just back and forth. If you do back and forth, see, you're just going to get it on half of it. You roll it, load up, what they call load it up, and let's place this on here and roll over it. And what we're going to do is get that pretty pattern underneath us and some color on our cardstock. And look, isn't that pretty? And if we wanted to, and I did, let's go ahead and add even some more. Oh, I've got, there we go, a little bit of pieces to pop out. Because we're also going to use this. We're going to use both. There we go. So, pretty. All right, we are done with this. Let's go ahead and put that away. And then look at that. And our circle will go over top of both of those. Isn't that pretty? And so we've got some more of the Grapefruit Grove in the background. But let me leave this right here just for some placement. And let's bring back the Rich Raspberry Classic Stampin' Pad. Now this is the push flip. And let's come over here and add these little flowers. Now all the stamps that I'm using are in the Love What You Do or Make a Difference stamp sets, included in the A Little More Please bundle. So there we go. We are done stamping. Perfect. Okay, so now before we put all that together, we have the Rich Raspberry 1/4 inch velvet ribbon. Let's go ahead and get a piece of that. And I'm going to go across it like this. So I need to trim this on the other side at an angle. So attractive, that angle, isn't it? Okay. And then I thought, okay, we want this to stay down nice. So we'll use mini glue dots. These are extra sticky and great for embellishments or whenever you have textured cardstock from embossing. There we go. Another one over here. All right. All right, we won't press hard because I want to make sure it's where I want it. Aren't these doilies beautiful? And boy, they sure make for a pretty template. All right, so I need this to stick down really well, so we'll stay with the mini glue dots because I'm going over top of that ribbon, so it's not nice and flat. All right. Whoops. And because it's purled, there we go. I think I need another one up over here. Okay. I think I didn't press well or something. Here we go. Now we got it. No, that didn't come with it. Let's press again. There it came. All right, now we got it. How about that? and I want to add this with Stampin' Dimensionals. Right? And these are foam adhesive dots. They just add a lot to your handmade cards. Let's do 3 of them. You know what? I feel like that's still not laying down like I'd like. So here's a trick that I do. Once things are laying down, take my paper piercing tool and there we go. So I can tuck things in without tearing apart. Now it's what I want. So there we go. A bonus little technique, a little tip. And then take your thumbnail, press in the center. It makes these edges pop up and easy to remove. Oh, there we go. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Aren't these colors just so pretty together? And then I used more colors from the Share What You Love cardstock pack. Here we go. And so we've got for our card base, the Grapefruit Grove. And then I'll have a link to my blog post with this card with all the measurements. So to put this together, we need some snail adhesive. So put your finger where those ridges are. About 1 inch in each corner is perfect. Might as well do my old olive while I'm here. There we go. So we're going to start with the rich raspberry. I won't press down. I want to make sure everything's just where I want it before I do that. I want these to cross over. You see how we can see them? Some of each. And we need some more. Now we can use a snail because see everything's flat on the back here. All right. That's a little bit cockeyed. Oh yay. We can see some of the color on all sides. Let me bring that up a little bit because I still want to see this one. Oh, that should go. Here we go. There, I can see it on all of the sides. Press everything down. And for our finishing touch, we're going to use the Share What You Love Artisan Pearls. And here we go. We've got 1 in rich raspberry. That's my paper piercing tool. Love it. If you don't have one, add it to your next order. Just makes life so much simpler. It's always at my side. There we go. And 1 more in the darker. Here we go. Fantastic. Easy, 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 but used a lot of the items included in the A Little More Please bundle that's available with the bonus products through May 31st, 2018, only in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. If you'd like to make my Love What You Do and Make a Difference card, all the supplies are listed under the video and available to order now in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. Now remember, all 3 of the pre-release bundles, including the A Little More Please bundle, are available May 2018 only with their free bonus products. So get on over now to my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelly Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamp smiles. Thanks for watching.